So this was the today problem of the day question 2126 destroying asteroids, right? And this is a medium level question. Question says you are given an integer mass which represent the original mass of a planet. Okay, एक integer mass दिया जिसका representation है of mass of a planet, and you are further given an integer array asteroids where asteroid array I is the mass of ith asteroid, right? And now we can arrange for the planet to collide with the asteroid in any arbitrary order if the mass of the planet is greater than or equal to the mass of asteroid. So the asteroid is destroyed and the planet gains the mass of asteroid. Otherwise, the planet is destroyed. Okay, and he said return true if all the asteroid can be destroyed. Otherwise, return false. Right. Example mass 10 asteroid 3919 521 true. So one way to order 9919532. Okay. The planet collide asteroid mass of 9 and the planet mass 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. Okay, 9 plus 10 is equals to 19, right? And 19 plus 19 is 38. And then 38 plus 5 43. Mass पहले 5 ऐड कर दिया, right? Then mass 3 then 21. Okay. Now I can understand. Constant at 10 is square 5. Okay. So acceptance is 55.6. Right. Now we have to go through the introduction. Right. Right. Now we have to go to. So now, like, how we go to the introduction? Let me comment down. One second. So now in introduction, like we can think the planet like a character in the game, right? Like if you played a snowball rolling down a mountain, right? So to grow larger enough to absorb massive obstacles, right? So if you must consume the smaller, easily manageable ones, right? Every time you observe an object and new mass increases. तो मास इंक्रीज होता रहता है अगर छोटे छोटे स्नोबॉल्स को आप मिला मिला के बड़े कर दो, right? Then we guarantee you the capacity to take on larger objects that you have previously destroyed you, right? So if you attempt to collide with a massive asteroid right away, the planet will be destroyed. Therefore, to maximize the chances of destroying all asteroids, you should you should like you should always target the smallest available asteroid next, right? So if you attempt to collide with a massive asteroid right away, the planet will be destroyed. Therefore, to maximize the chances, right, to maximize the chances of destroying all asteroid, you should always target the smallest available asteroid next, right? Right. So now we have to do the approaches, right? Let's say approach. So firstly we have to sort one second sort the array, right, of asteroid in ascending order of their mass, right? And then the second we have iterate through the sorted array, right? So comparing planet current mass to asteroid mass, right? And in third, if planet planet's mass is greater than or equal to asteroid, right? So absorb it or add its mass to the planet, right? One second. Why? And now you have to fourth like if at if at any point the planet Mars, right? So the planet Mars is less than asteroid, so it's impossible to proceed, right? Then we return false, right? In fifth, if you are successfully process the entire, then turn true, and then TC हो जाएगा वो से B को and log n for sorting, right? और S डॉट C हो जाएगा इसका भी B को log n for stack used in sorting, right? Now we have to do the code. So we have to do the code. Let's do the, so firstly we have to sort. So array sort asteroids, right? Now we have to long current mass. 1 second. Current mass equals to mass. अबे यार equals to mass, right? और करंट अब इटरेट करेंगे लूप को सॉर्टेड एरे वाला for int I equals to 0, I asteroids dot length, right? And I increment. Now we have to, like, if asteroid array I greater than current mass, then the return false कर देंगे, और अगर current mass equal है asteroid I तो return true कर देंगे, right? So if asteroid asteroids I, right, greater than 1 second current mass, then we have return false, right? And then if current mass equals asteroid, right, 1 second, then return true कर देंगे. Let's see, run कर देंगे. Now it's accepted and submit the code, right? Now it is submitted. Okay, now did you see award ही हो गया, right? Hmm. Okay, guys.